Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Pause Windows Update before any troubleshooting to avoid conflicts. Open settings and pause updates for 1 hour or longer. Verify the system drive has at least 20 GB free for temporary files and package extraction. Create a system restore point now so you can undo changes if needed. Keep your administrator credentials ready for service and command prompts. Close all apps and save work before stopping services or rebooting the device. Open services. MSC with administrator rights and stop the Windows Update service. Also stop the background intelligent transfer service and cryptographic services in the same console. Open File Explorer and navigate to C /Windows/software distribution /download. Delete its contents to clear the update cache. Then rename C /Windows/system 32/catroot2 to catroot2. Open an elevated command prompt and run dism with the flag /online/cleanup image/restore health. Wait for dism to complete. It can take 10 to 30 minutes depending on corruption. After dism finishes, run sfc/scano to verify and repair protected system files. If updates still stall, reboot into safe mode and repeat the cache clear steps or install updates manually. As a last resort, use system restore to revert to a point before the update attempt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.